Well, hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Blank Club. And today we are going to learn how to draw things from Netflix Wednesday.
A very easy step-by-step drawing of thing from Netflix Wednesday. Let's get started. As always, you'll need a black sketch pen, or white paper and some colors. So, should we start?
Yep.
Before we start. Okay, so this is a drawing of a hand, something like this.
Like this and
Here it goes. Here it goes. Now we do the stitches. Okay. What next should we be doing?
we should color.
With which color?
Skin.
Okay, let's start. I missed on something.
What? I know. I tried to make you forget that.
You tried to make me forget it.
Yep.
Why was that?
I just wanted to.
Very good. This one is better. Okay. What next? Because nails. Yeah, Here we are. I am done with my coloring. By the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, do not forget to hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below. Did you like this drawing? What do you want us to draw next? And if you want to get featured in the next video of ours, do share your kids' drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Corner Club and hashtag Kids Corner Club. And you never know if you might get featured in our next drawing.
I have a lot to do.
It's okay, take your time. You should always first be doing the lighter color.
Why?
That way the color does not go bad. Because now it will overlap on the lighter color. And the brushes of the lighter color would go wrong. No?
Yep. Forgot to do one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, give me that color once. Didn't tell her the nails.
The next drawing is gonna be on how to draw Wednesday Adams. Adams. What do we call?
Adams.
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 Adams. Is it?
Yeah.
Tell us what do we call in the comments below.
Adams.
So, don't forget to watch our next drawing of Adams. So yeah, bye bye.
How to draw Wednesday from Adams.